Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is the full form of ASHA, a key cadre of community health volunteers under the National Health Mission in India? ASHA? The correct answer is accredited social health activist. ASHA stands for Accredited Social Health Activist, a crucial link between the community and the public health system. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. The news mentions a new government medical college awaiting its building in Palocha. In which Indian state is Palocha located? The correct answer is Telangana. Palocha is a town located in the Bhadradri Kotagudam district of Telangana, where a new government medical college is being established. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. Recent reports indicate an increase in dengue alerts due to changing mosquito breeding patterns. Which of the following is the primary vector for transmitting dengue fever? The correct answer is Aedes aegypti mosquito. The Aedes aegypti mosquito is the primary vector responsible for transmitting the dengue virus to humans. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. Which parasite is responsible for causing Kala-Azar, visceral leishmaniasis? The correct answer is Leishmania donovani. Kala-Azar, or visceral leishmaniasis, is caused by the protozoan parasite Leishmania donovani. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. The vector responsible for transmitting Kala-Azar to humans is the The correct answer is sandfly. Kala-Azar is transmitted through the bite of an infected female phlebotomine sandfly. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. Lymphatic filariasis, elephantiasis, is primarily caused by which type of organism? The correct answer is nematode worms. Lymphatic filariasis is caused by parasitic nematode worms, primarily Wuchereria bancrofti, Brugia malai, and Brugia timori. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. What is the common name for the chronic manifestation of lymphatic filariasis characterized by gross swelling of limbs and genitals? The correct answer is elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is the common name for the chronic, disfiguring manifestation of lymphatic filariasis, involving severe swelling. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. The primary mode of transmission for amoebiasis is through The correct answer is contaminated food and water. Amoebiasis is typically transmitted by ingestion of cysts of Entamoeba histolytica from contaminated food or water. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. Which of the following is the most common extraintestinal manifestation of invasive amoebiasis? Extraintestinal manifestation? The correct answer is hepatic abscess. Amoebic liver abscess is the most common extraintestinal complication of invasive amoebiasis. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which of the following diagnostic tests is commonly used as a confirmatory test for HIV infection after a positive screening result? The correct answer is Western blot. The Western blot test is typically used as a confirmatory test for HIV after a positive ELISA screening. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. The primary target cells for HIV in the human body are? The correct answer is CD4 plus T helper cells. HIV primarily targets and destroys CD4 plus T helper cells, which are crucial for the immune system. Sariyana Badil, CD4. CD4. Question 12. Rabies is caused by a virus that primarily affects the. The correct answer is central nervous system. The rabies virus attacks the central nervous system, leading to severe neurological symptoms. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. Which of the following is a characteristic clinical sign of furious rabies in humans? Furious rabies? The correct answer is hydrophobia. Hydrophobia, fear of water, is a classic and highly characteristic symptom of furious rabies. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. Tetanus is caused by the neurotoxin produced by which bacterium? The correct answer is Clostridium tetani. Tetanus is caused by the potent neurotoxin tetanospasmin, produced by the bacterium Clostridium tetani. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. What is the most effective method for preventing tetanus? The correct answer is vaccination. Vaccination with tetanus toxoid is the most effective way to prevent tetanus. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.